In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Progress Monopoly Go Mobile. We're focusing on Android, and I'll walk you through 2 safe ways to disconnect the game from Google Play Games, along with what each option really means for your data. First, a quick overview. You have 2 choices. Clearing the Monopoly Go app data on your device simply signs you out on that phone or tablet. It does not erase what's stored in the cloud on Google servers. The other option is to delete the game's data from your Google Play Games profile. That one removes your progress, achievements, and associated data from Google servers and cannot be undone. Choose carefully based on whether you want a temporary sign out or a true fresh start. Let's start with clearing the app data. On your Android device, locate the Monopoly Go app icon on your home screen or app drawer, then press and hold it. Tap the app info option, which may look like a small eye in a circle, or you might see a gear icon that takes you to the app's settings. Open storage and cache. Here, tap clear data or clear all data and confirm by tapping OK. Note that names can vary slightly by device or Android version. Clearing cache alone isn't enough. You want to clear data. After this, you're signed out on that device. If you later sign back into the same Google Play Games account, your cloud progress may return, so use this method if you're troubleshooting or switching accounts rather than wiping progress. If you want to permanently remove your Monopoly Go progress from Google Play Games, use the second option. On your Android device, open Settings. Scroll down to Google, then tap Settings for Google Apps. Choose Play Games. Go to Privacy and Settings. Select Delete Profile and Game Data. In the section that lists delete individual game data, find Monopoly Go, tap Delete. Make sure you're on the correct Google account before you do this, especially if you have multiple profiles on your device. And remember, this action cannot be undone. This will also remove achievements and other Play Games linked data for Monopoly Go. Once you've completed your chosen method, open Monopoly Go and follow the on-screen prompts. If your game was linked to other services, reconnecting them could restore progress, so avoid reconnecting the same accounts if your goal